Leading the way is race number 3, followed by race number 5. This is going to be one interesting race. Alright, we are into second lap. Race number 3 continues to lead, followed by race number 5, followed by race number 2. 2 laps to go. Here we go. The racing order, now James Manuel, number 3 leading the race, number 5 on the second position, and number 2 on the third. Into the final lap now. Coming into the final balance. This will change the race order. No one does it. The winner! Race number 3 followed by race number 5. What a race! Short, quick, and amazing. Woo.